The winter session of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC concluded yesterday with a half-day session marked by intense debates on land disputes and financial operations. Opposition leaders Andrew Shulai and Bright Star Chermang raised motions to address inefficiencies in land services, though both motions were withdrawn following a request from the ruling party. The session also saw queries about the issuance of NOCs for cement plants and the revenue generated from transport and minerals. CEM Thombor Shiwat provided key financial details, reporting Rs 8.88 crore in revenue from transport and Rs 116.59 crore from minerals.
Date of assumption will be 2nd September 2024. Number 2, Sri Marti Gordor Lamin, promoted as executive engineer.